If you want to know how to get free games daily on Epic Games, there's an important detail you should know right away. Epic Games normally gives away free games on a weekly rotation, not every single day. But during special events, like the winter holiday sale, they can offer free games more frequently. And that's when you'll want to check in often so you don't miss anything. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps to claim the current free game and how to stay on top of future free offers the easy way. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple gaming guides. First, open the Epic Games Launcher on your PC. If you don't have it installed yet, you'll need to download it and sign in to your Epic Games account before you can claim anything. Once you're inside the launcher, scroll down until you find the Free Games section. This section is where Epic highlights the current free title that you can claim for a limited time. Now look for the game that is marked Free Now. That label is the key sign that the game is available at no cost during the promotion period. Click on that game to open its store page. On the game page, you'll see a blue Get button. Click that button to begin the checkout process. Even though the game is free, Epic still takes you through a standard order flow so the license gets added properly to your account. After you click Get, you'll be taken to the checkout screen. Here, you should see the total shown as 0 rupees or your local equivalent. Double check that the price is 0 before continuing. Once everything looks correct, click Place Order to finalize the claim. After that, the game is added to your Epic Games account and you can download it anytime from your library. Now, if you want to make the most of Epic's free offers, the real trick is checking regularly, especially during seasonal events. Since Epic usually rotates freebies weekly, setting a reminder once a week is a smart way to stay updated. And during special holiday giveaways, it's even more important to open the launcher often because the free selection may change faster than usual. Also, remember that claiming the game is what matters most. Once you press Place Order, it's yours to keep in your account permanently, even after the promotion ends, as long as you claimed it in time. So the process is simple. Open the launcher, find the Free Games section, click the game marked Free Now, hit Get, and complete the order for 0 rupees. That's the fastest way to claim Epic's free games and stay ready for the next giveaway. If this video helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next free game update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.